What's up? This is Ant, your LA realtor, and we're in the beautiful city of Pasadena at this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Let's come check it out. You definitely want to check out the backyard and stay to the very end. We're going to talk some specifics about this home. We're going to talk about, this office space, this beautiful backyard, how much this home is selling for, the appreciation rate in this area. So let's go ahead and get started now. So what do you think about the home? If you would live here, smash that like button. Let me know that you like this. So this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 1,587 square feet. It's located near Old Town Pasadena, near Caltech, near the City College. So it's very conveniently located, and it's priced at $1.389 million. You can see that it has a beautiful, stunning backyard, has the fountain, quartz countertops. They did a really good job renovating this place. So if you're interested, please let me know. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the appreciation rate for this area right here so you can take a look at it. I'm also gonna put my contact information here. It's important that you contact me as soon as possible. That way you can schedule a showing. I know that the market is starting to cool off, but nonetheless, homes are still selling. They're still selling in 20 days or less in most areas. So contact me if you have any questions. Also going to be in the description of this video with the property link. And I look forward to talking to you soon.